Hi guys.
So today is vlogging day. Webber and I posted a mini vlog in the morning on Instagram from our heritage walk.
Yeah.
And now we're heading to the mall after how long, Webber?
6 months?
Yeah, I
or
think
long-
Jan was the last time we went.
Yeah, so they're longer than.
Yeah, so it's we're going to the mall and we're gonna step out a bit,
We're trying to reclaim our lives.
a little bit.
Yeah. Are you nervous, Scherezade?
Yeah, considering it looks so crowded.
Are you shaking in your boots or your sandals?
No. Oh, where do you wanna go first? Where do you wanna go first?
Chroma.
What are you here to buy?
A new gas stove, but like 3 years ago, when life was normal, we came and these stores were here. It's the same.
No, this is the one we wanted, the clicker one. Webber's shopping after 2 years. What's your favorite escalator, Webber?
Yes, I want to live here on this.
Decided on these. How was that for you, Webber?
It was cathartic.
I'm a bit breathless now with the mask.
Yeah, but it was so good.
Yeah, it was quite.
It was a taste of normal life.
Yeah, I mean, it was nice to actually, I think, like see people with shopping bags and like.
I feel like myself.
My Maniskin is a brand new band in the chart. Who's banging? Number 38.
My favorite song.
This is the one, no?
I know you with it, I got it, so come and get it. Call me on my cell if you ready, I'm trying to hit it. I'm only kidding, no really, I'm only joshing. Said you got a man, but you pursuing your options. Said you gotta do.
Okay, folks, we're back home. Just took a shower. I know you guys love to see this house, so I thought I'd film in the living room so you can see me walking around. But yeah, going to the mall was really fun. I feel like I've got a bit of like slightly sunburned up today's morning walk. As you can see, there's like all this red, like feels like a post-holiday glow. You know, when you go to the beach and you come back, that's how I'm feeling right now. Like I've got redness on my thighs and here. I'm feeling like, oh wow, I've been somewhere and come back, even though it was a walk around Colaba and then just to the mall. Yeah, it was just such a good feeling to go to the mall. We haven't been to the mall since January, and that was also like once in the whole year before that. Like we used to literally live at Phoenix Mills. It was like our go-to place. We'd go like once a week, and then now in the last 2 years we've been twice. So really happy that we got to go. But yeah, the amount of people in H&M were definitely giving me anxiety after a point. I was like, okay, let's get out of here. Clothes are not that important. And I just bought a pair of shorts, that the same pair you saw, which you will see in the video. And yeah, I mean, it was a good outing. Feels good. Tomorrow we're planning to go to Bandra and get some breakfast. So yeah, I'm beginning to step out a little bit. It feels good to get out, to meet some friends. Met a friend last night as well. And I know a lot of you comment saying you guys are not getting out as well, so I feel you. And now slowly getting out, you know, occasionally doing things. And yeah, it felt good to go to the mall today. So yeah, that was my long 2-minute long rant for you guys. But now we just ordered some dinner. We've got like Asian food coming from Coco. Who's excited? So just waiting for my dinner, walking around the house. I'm gonna show you guys the living room again because I feel like you guys keep asking me for a tour. Remember when I did a whole house tour video? I will link that here, but just gonna show you this space. So this is where you usually see me sitting on Instagram and all of that. That's my chair. That's where I have my morning chai. That's where I'll be tomorrow morning. We have a lot of plants. It's actually dark right now, so you can't see that, but you've seen it before. One of my favorite shelves. We have like this whole cabinet, and people are playing cricket in the neighboring building, which is really loud, so ignore that. Yeah, this one is my favorite. Love the color, love everything about it. That's Weber's didgeridoo. Then this little pocket is my favorite. This guy, love him. And then we have the main dining table. Again, all that is my mess, ignore. But yeah, it's all pretty much the same. Home sweet home. I want to watch Squid Game.
Another team.
I'm very angry about the stolen election in America and how Donald Trump was stopped from carrying it out.
Okay peeps, Sunday morning, just brushed my teeth, changed my clothes, wearing my new shorts, husband shirt, and headed for breakfast.
1, 2, 3, 4. I am not a raincoat here to keep you warm. Then go back in the closet after the storm. No, I'm not a match simply waiting to burn. All I am is a friend, your friend till the end. Your impression of a city wish you loved more than everything you gave for it. And I'm not here to criticize the risk. All I am is a friend, your friend till the end.
Weber, are you satisfied that you've come to Bandra?
You keep asking me, are you satisfied? Is what I want to know.
Yeah, I'm satisfied. The
Hitting our old joint.
The annual Bandra trip.
Don't say that, man. I hope it's not the case now.
Yeah, well, yeah. We came to Kitchen Garden, had our usual breakfast, usual dessert.
And it was good.
Good Sunday. It's been a lazy, chilled Sunday afternoon. We have, oh, you can hear the birds. We have been watching Squid Game, which is amazing so far. We're only on episode 2, but it is so good. It is Weber's first Korean show, so I'm hoping he likes this and then wants to do more. But I'm just loving how the light is on my face right now. The rest of the house looks dark, of course, but loving the natural light. Now we're going from house to house. Stealing Weber's Tala's money plant.
Good?
Yeah. Hi, Bobby. Hi. Hi. Okay, come. Take this one. Hi. Come on. Yes. Yes. Okay. Goodbye. Come, let's go. Did you miss Mama? Mazzy? Hey, Mazzy. You're angry? Huh? Tell me. It is Mr.'s bath time and he is not happy, just marinating him. Gonna give him a bath, then have my own bath. and make some kimchi fried rice for dinner. Okay peeps, Scary Chef Sherry in the house. Tonight we're making some bacon and kimchi fried rice. One of my favorites. I've actually binge eaten a lot this weekend, as you saw, and I wanted to keep it simple and don't want to really cook, so kimchi fried rice is the easiest. So yeah, I'm going to show you how I do this. So here's what I'm using. I've obviously cut up some bacon, some spring onion, and you actually just need some kimchi. With these three you can actually just make kimchi fried rice with these three and rice. But I'm also going to try some gochujang, which is the Korean pepper paste, some fish sauce and eggs if you want to put an egg on top, and this is some sesame oil. You don't really need it with bacon because the fat acts well to fry, but it gives a nice flavor. So 3 of these are what you really need. This is just like all extra stuff. So you want to nicely fry the bacon this way. Once that is nicely fried, you want to add your rice. Then we're gonna add a splash of the fish sauce, the kimchi, and the gochujang. Okay, I'm gonna need both my hands for this, so I'm gonna just quickly show you guys some of this because I need both my hands. So we've got a lot of kimchi and a lot of gochujang, and now we're just gonna mix it all. Again, gonna need both my hands. See you in a bit. Finally, when it looks like that, like I like it to have like a nice dark red color because I like it spicy. You can put less sauce or kimchi if you feel you want it like lighter. Just add your spring onions on the top, mix it up and serve it with a fried egg. This boy, my god, how gorgeous is he? Okay peeps, in bed with my roommate who's not happy with me because I gave him a bath today. Deciding between Hometown Cha-Cha-Cha and Squid Game is so hard because I started watching Squid Game today with Ever when I'm obviously watching Hometown Cha-Cha-Cha and loving it. So I think I'm gonna finish the 2 episodes of Home Cha-Cha-Cha, I'm saying Hometown Cha-Cha-Cha from this week and then go on to Squid Game. But yeah, it's been a very eventful weekend. I don't think I've done this much on a weekend, like gone out this much on a weekend in over a year. So it felt good to kind of go out as well. And I mean, I was less anxious than I usually am about going out. And yeah, I just had a good fun weekend. I mean, it was quick because barely went home this weekend because we had the walking tour in the morning and whatever. For those of you who haven't watched our walking tour mini vlog on Insta, I will put it in the description. You can check it out if you want to, or you can follow us on Instagram and you will see more mini vlogs because that's what we're planning to do right now. And start with some mini vlogs and then see when we can vlog together and stuff like that. But there was a lot of Webber in this video as well, so this is kind of like a coupling video a bit. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. This has been an out and about vlog after very long, and I had fun shooting it, so I hope you had fun watching it. So yeah, if you enjoyed the vlog, give it a thumbs up, a comment below, and tell me what your favorite part from the vlog was. Rumi, got any words for them? Are you still not talking to me? Maz? Not talking to me. Good night.